How to use iOS 18 iPhone mirroring. Let's get started. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set it up and troubleshoot common issues for iPhone mirroring. iPhone mirroring is a new feature available on iOS 18. This update allows you to mirror your iPhone directly to your Mac. To set up iPhone mirroring, first open your settings. Now navigate to the option of General. Navigate to the option of AirPlay and Continuity. You will see the option of Automatically AirPlay. Click on that, check in for the option of Automatic, then head back. Likewise, enable for the option of Handoff. Now both the devices, your iPhone and the device that you want to mirror the screen to, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Also, don't forget to enable Bluetooth on both devices. After completing these steps, iPhone mirroring will automatically appear in your Mac's launchpad. Once you lock your iPhone, you'll be able to mirror the screen on your Mac, even for playing mobile games. There are still a few issues with iPhone mirroring. For instance, you won't be able to use it in the case you have enabled the standby mode. To check that, you can head over to the settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of standby, and then disable for this option. Next up, make sure your both devices are up to date. Check the software update for your device. Likewise for the device that you want to screen mirror to. You can go to settings, then general, then software update. If you find any updates over here, just update your device to its latest version. If still the issue persists, give a fresh restart to both the devices. With that, your problem might be fixed. So, this is how you can easily use iOS 18 iPhone mirroring. If this tutorial was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.